Hello kids! Welcome back to Spoken English for Kids. Today, we'll learn a new sentence together. Are you ready? Let's begin. Today's sentence is, sit down and then drink the water. Let's say it together, slowly. Sit down and then drink the water. Now listen carefully and repeat after me. Sit down, sit on, and then drink the water. Drink the water. Now all together. Sit down and then drink the water. Excellent. This means, first sit properly, then drink your water. We use this sentence to remind someone to drink water calmly and politely. For example, please sit down and then drink the water. That's good manners. Well done, kids. Keep practicing your spoken English every day. See you in the next video.